afternoon. We are on the airplane headed for Korea. That's a travel day, so we've been moving around all morning. We got up pretty early. Got on the bus and the train by 8:30 a.m. Took about 2 hours to get to Narita from where we were, which is west of Tokyo.
3 hours.
Three, yeah.
3 hours.
So it's been a long travel day, but we're super excited to head to Seoul. Tokyo has been awesome. First time in the city, and it exceeded my expectations, and I look forward to coming back. If you haven't watched any of our previous vlogs from Tokyo, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check it out in the video list. But yeah, Seoul, here we come. I don't know if you can see that because I couldn't zoom in fast enough, but the airline workers or the engineers who helped to traffic control, people who prepare the airplanes for departure, were waving goodbye to the airplane. It was so cool.
EQ.
EQ, yeah. How's it feel to be back home?
Good.
If you didn't know this already, Laura spent a year in Korea 6 years ago. She taught English here and spent most of her time in Gwangju, but also traveled to other parts of Korea. So she'll be my local tour guide. She also has friends here, so we're going to be meeting up with her friends, which will be nice because
It's always better to...
It's always nice to have people show us around and show us where locals eat and cool places to hang out. So super excited. We're about to land, and what's really cool is that it's still early. It's like it's 4:30 right now. So that means we have the rest of the evening to explore. And settle in. Probably do a little bit of grocery shopping because we've been eating out pretty much every meal this past week. No set plans, so we're just kind of winging it today. Definitely not a backpacker.
Nope.
We're flashpackers.
Yeah.
These are snack stuff. These are our souvenirs.
For real.
Definitely the most stuff we've had our entire travels. Trying to get some data. Prepaid SIMs and Wi-Fi router. So we are at between door number 4 and 5, picking up our bus tickets to head into the city. But you come here, you just select your language, and then here, if you know where you're going, you just type it in. But we are searching by the bus number, so we type that in there, 6009, search, and then we are at Terminal 1, so we pick that, and then we're going here. And then we just select the time, 2 people, select, and then we already paid, but just showing you how we did it, put it in there, and then our tickets came out here. So it's a pretty easy process. It costs $15,000 per person, which is about $15 US. So we finally made it to our Airbnb. It's really cute. The bus ride from the airport took about an hour. It was pretty fast, and the bus is really comfortable. You just get the bus tickets at the... I don't know if there are several bus ticket stands, but there is one at doors 4 and 5 at Terminal 1. And then there are several SIM card places.
Depending on where you're going, there's kiosks at every exit.
Yeah, and there's also kiosks as well for different types of buses, and then there's also the railway system.
So we just took the bus. It's the cheapest, and well, I mean, cheap and direct. Yeah,
exactly. It was fairly easy. We did have a issue with exchange rate or exchanging our money. We only had a bunch of yen that we wanted to exchange for won, thinking that we might be able to get a good deal at the airport, but airports do what they usually do and they don't give you good rates. So we just got out a little bit and plan to exchange the rest in the city.
We're just gonna go explore, see what's around. We're in a busy area.
Yeah.
We're near Gangnam, so we're just gonna go and Yeah.
Yeah, we're about to get down Gangnam style.
Oh God.
But before we do, we'll give you a quick tour of this Airbnb.
Oh yeah.
It's a pretty nice place for the rate that we're paying in a super convenient area. So I'll start over here. So I'm standing at the door now. The door is operated by code, so you just type it in and it opens automatically, which is super convenient. You don't have to worry about losing a key.
Yeah.
And then right in front of it is the bathroom. I'll show you that first. This is the bathroom. It kind of looks all messy right now because we were just using it and took a shower, but what's cool is that it's separated. In a lot of places we've been to in Southeast Asia, it doesn't have this door.
Yeah.
There's also a heated toilet.
Japan
Love the heated
style.
toilets. Yeah, like Japan, that was default.
Yeah, lots of storage.
Little counter space, and then space on both sides of this mirror.
Okay, here's the best part though.
It's well stocked.
Yeah, we have like
look at that, dude.
Toothbrushes, like floor cleaner. We have toothpaste here, lots of toilet paper, butt wipes, tissue. Like
yeah, I think that's just like the inventory. It's probably the inventory they have for like future guests as well.
For every room.
And then there's a control panel right here with the heater switches. So you turn the hot water on here, which is pretty cool.
And then this is security.
Looks like a security and telephone system.
If someone rings you at night when they close the main door, you can see them here through a camera.
And then a pretty open, spacious studio.
Yep. Smells good in here.
Yeah, here's the kitchen, so we can cook breakfast or other meals.
Yeah, and
a lot of space. So much space.
Details.
And then the condiments.
Yeah,
it's so nice to have this equipped. That way we don't have to go buy them for like
which we'd
just,
have to do.
Just
Sugar,
a week or so.
Like
nice.
What?
Cutting board, glasses, silverware, plates.
Yeah.
Plenty of counter space. A big enough table for
both of
at
us.
least 2 people.
Yeah,
microwave, kettle, mirror, love chair with some cute stuffed animals. A queen size bed or a full size bed.
I think it's cool.
It's not too. It's like the beds in Thailand. It's a little hard. And then there's a window there and a window there. AC, and we more like pretty big wardrobe. There's a giant TV, and then more space here. So you could, and then a desk or a workspace right there. So you could be here for like a while and be comfortable.
Right. Yeah. You don't have a lot of stuff. You have all the kitchen supplies you need. The fridge is pretty big. This is like the biggest fridge we've had in Asia. Like,
this reminds me of our apartment in Vietnam.
Yeah, open.
So our apartment in Vietnam, in Da Nang,
like
was about the same size, and it was an open concept studio as well, and it was extremely cozy. We loved it. But we're gonna go out and explore the city, and we'll end the vlog here. Let us know what you thought. I mean, it wasn't too much going on in this video, but you know, we'll see you in the next one. So subscribe and catch our next vlog from Korea. Peace.